Mrs Barham, thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, we're going to ask you some part-time questions and you choose one. Number 1, puha or watercress?
Watercress.
Number 2, Justin Bieber or Lady Gaga?
Neither.
You have to choose one.
Okay, Lady Gaga.
Okay, number 3, Vegemite or Marmite?
Once again, neither, but if I have to choose, my grandson likes Vegemite.
Okay, number 4, Coke or Sprite?
Definitely Coke.
Number 5, rugby or football?
Absolutely rugby. Sorry, Mr. Snell.
Number 6, Benji Marshall or Sonny Bill Williams?
What a choice. Benji.
Okay. Number 7, Coronation Street or Shortland Street?
Coronation Street. You guys get some quality into your lives. Coronation Street.
Number 8, Crusaders or Reds?
Crusaders.
Okay, what does Te Wiki or Te Reo Maori mean to you?
To me, it means a chance just to celebrate being Maori for all of us, and also to just remember this is part of our country, who we are. So it's a chance for people to remember that. Not just Maori people, but Europeans as well.
Yes. Yeah. Can you please say mean Maori mean into the camera?
Mean Maori mean.
Loudly.
Mean Maori mean.
Louder. Can't fight, Thank you, Mrs Barham, for speaking with us today.
Thanks, girl.